सेहत है तो सब कुछ है।
This episode focuses on the various cancers in men, and we will discuss today's topic with Professor Dr. Anitha Ramesh, consultant oncologist, Kaveri HCG Cancer Center, Chennai. Let's welcome her. Hello, doctor. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Doctor, today we are going to discuss prominent types of cancer that affect males. So please tell us which are the most common cancers in men.
The most common cancers in men is related to tobacco, and these tobacco related cancers are cancers which arise from the mouth, that is over the lips, the tongue, the cheek and the upper portion of the food pipe, that is the gastrointestinal tract, and like the hypopharynx, the pharynx, the esophagus, and also the cancers which is arising from the upper part of the air pipe or the pipe through which we breathe, which is called the respiratory tract cancers, that is laryngeal cancer, lung cancer or the bronchogenic cancer. All these put together are tobacco related cancers, and they are the common cancers in men in India as on today.
Doctor, what is lung cancer?
Cancer is actually abnormal growth of cells in the body. When cells grow uncontrolled and they start multiplying haphazardly, and then they start spreading to other places, that is called cancer. And when this cancer occurs in our breathing pipe or the breathing tube, which is called the respiratory tract, or the main organ is the lung, so that is called the lung cancer. And lung cancer is one of the dreaded cancers and is one of the common cause of death in men, and it is mainly related to tobacco, particularly due to smoking of tobacco, inhalation of gases like radon, uranium, other obnoxious asbestos gases, and also it can happen in passive smoking when somebody else is smoking and you are exposed to the smoke. And this all changes, brings changes in the epithelium of the lung, and that predisposes to the development of cancer.
Doctor, how many Indian men get diagnosed with head and neck cancer every year?
If 100 people get 60 to 70% will develop cancer because of the smoking. And if you take the Globocon data on all the cancers, the lung cancer is 12.5% globally of all the cancer statistics.
What is head and neck cancer?
Like head and neck cancer, what it means the head and the neck together, but it doesn't include the cancer of the brain. We don't include into that. This includes cancer of the upper portion of the respiratory or the pipe through which we are breathing, respiratory tract, which includes the sinuses, the nasal cavity, it includes the larynx and down. And also it includes the cancers of the upper part of our food pipe or the gastrointestinal tract, which includes the oral cavity, the oropharynx, the nasopharynx, the hypopharynx, and these all put together are called the head neck cancers. And why they are grouped together? Because their pattern of development is the same. They have the same etiological factor related to tobacco, smoke, and the carcinogenic factors remains to be the same. Their spread and pattern is also the same, and the treatment is more or less the same, and that's why they are grouped together as head neck cancers. And their pathology is also the same. They are all more or less squamous cell cancer of the head neck area.
Doctor, which other cancers are more common in men than women?
Apart from this, what we have so far discussed, other common cancers is the gastric or the stomach cancer, okay, and then is the cancer of the lower portion of the food pipe, which is the colorectal cancer. So stomach and colorectal cancers are next common cancers, followed by prostate cancer, and there are other cancers, but these are in the top list of the cancers in men in India.
Doctor, are there signs and symptoms that men should look out for in different types of cancers?
If you are going to take for the head neck cancers and the tobacco related cancers, we should also look for any say the head and neck cancer, look for any swelling inside the mouth, any ulcer in the mouth, any difficulty, any pain inside the while chewing or eating, redness, any difficulty in swallowing the food, and then difficulty in breathing. There is pain during swallowing, the food is getting stuck when you are swallowing, and there is vomiting, or there is blood coming out with the vomit, or there is shortness of breath, and there is cough, sputum is coming out, blood stained sputum, lot of even huge amount of blood coming out with the cough, fever, loss of body weight, weakness, or any swelling anywhere in the body, you should be quite frightened and you should go to the doctor. These are all warning signals of some cancer in the head and neck area. Now, if you take for cancers coming to the lower portion of the food pipe, that is the colorectal or the stomach, that change in the color of the stool, frequency of the stool, alternate constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, these are the symptoms. But overall picture is that lung cancer is a dreaded disease, and we usually don't get signs which says that it's early. When you get signs and symptoms, it is usually an advanced lung cancer.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.